We have all been there after running a killer webinar or recording a podcast, facing that dreaded mountain of raw footage that needs to become snackable clips. If you are working in a big company, your instinct is probably to file a ticket with the video team and then wait 3 weeks while they get to it. Spoiler alert, they are completely swamped, so instead of waiting on them, I have developed a workflow that puts Vizard to work for me. Vizard is an AI-powered engine that basically does the heavy lifting for you by scanning long videos for the most interesting and engaging moments. It automatically turns those moments into ready-to-post clips and helps you manage the entire distribution process across all your platforms. Think of it not as a hard sell, but as a super talented teammate that handles the tedious work without ever drinking your coffee. Quick intro, I am Ria. And after a decade of editing and repurposing content, I have realized that most tools only do one thing well while failing at everything else. Vizard nails the perfect balance of automated clip selection for viral moments and easy scheduling so you can actually stop babysitting your content. Let us walk through a real-world example so you can see just how little time this workflow actually takes to execute. The first step is simply uploading your long video file to Vizard and letting the platform transcribe the entire recording for you. This is a massive game changer because you no longer have to scrub through hours of footage just to hunt down one decent sentence. Vizard's transcript is fully searchable, meaning instead of re-listening to the same minute 50 times, you just punch in a keyword and find your gold. I remember a guest talking about using source materials for video ideas, so I just hit Command F, type source, and every mention pops right up. Once I find the exact quote, I highlight the text, hit create clip, and Vizard immediately generates a short video segment from that specific moment. This saves hours of manual work, but we still need to make sure the content is tight because viewers scroll fast and every awkward pause kills your retention. Instead of spending ages manually trimming silences, Vizard does it automatically, and you can even choose a trim profile like calm, balanced, or energetic. I usually slide that setting towards energetic for social, and in 1 second, all the dead air is gone. The clip instantly feels snappier, and I did not have to manually cut a single breath to make it happen. Another great trick for keeping attention is using cut-ins, like zooms or crops on the speaker, to really emphasize a specific line. Vizard makes this incredibly easy, allowing you to split the frame, crop, scale up, and nudge the framing so the eyes stay perfectly centered. This keeps eye contact with the viewer, which might sound like a small detail, but it actually matters a ton on mobile devices. Captions are also a total must, and since Vizard already has the transcript, generating them is literally just a one-click process. If you work at a brand-conscious company, you can load your own caption styles, including fonts and colors, so every clip is on brand without bugging design. Many other tools force you to re-upload assets to a design app, but Vizard keeps absolutely everything in one place. If you want to add a bit more flair, you can throw in a lower third, a quick graphic, or even a call-to-action card using their built-in motion design system. You can even import company-approved templates so everything stays compliant without any back-and-forth communication with the video team. Now for the part that saves marketing teams the most time, which is handling platform sizing and final distribution. You just pick your platforms, hit a toggle, and Vizard auto-resizes the clip while keeping the visual focus in frame and formatting the captions correctly. Instead of downloading and uploading a dozen versions, I just hit share and everything is good to go. This is where Vizard really pulls ahead of the competition, specifically with the auto-schedule feature. You set your posting frequency, pick your best clips, and Vizard takes care of the rest, letting you set it and forget it. Want 3 posts a week from this single webinar over the next month? It handles that automatically so you have no more manual calendar entries. Combine that with the content calendar and you have one centralized place to preview, approve, and rearrange content before it goes live. Your entire team can review clips, leave notes, and download whatever assets they need without any confusion. Compare that to other tools. Descript is great for text-based editing, but it gets pricey and requires a lot of manual time to polish and schedule. Traditional tools like Premiere or Final Cut are powerful, but they are totally manual and frankly overkill for quick social clips. Vizard brings those core functions together in a way that is fast and actually affordable for creators and marketing teams. A lot of people think great clips come from genius-level creativity, but having solid source material actually beats fancy editing 90% of the time. I used to look at our top-performing blog posts and page conversions in Google Analytics to decide exactly which pieces of content we should turn into video. It wasn't the flashiest idea, but converting proven traffic drivers into short videos meant every clip had a built-in chance of performing well. If something is already doing well on search, it almost always translates to social media success. Once the clip is polished, I send the share link to our social and demand gen teams so they can review it or push it straight to the queue. One of the easiest hacks is just creating a library of solid source clips, which takes the pressure off creators to be endlessly original. Let analytics drive what you choose to repurpose, rather than just guessing what might work. Now, no tool is perfect for everyone. If you need cinematic color grading or custom audio engineering, you will still need a specialist. But for turning long-form content into high-performing, platform-ready social clips, Vizard is optimized exactly for that workflow. It is faster than waiting for a centralized video team, cheaper than hiring full-time editors, and much more comprehensive than juggling separate apps. Here is a pro tip. Batch everything. Upload a whole month of webinars in one go, and use the calendar to space them out. Let the auto-schedule run its course, then check the analytics to see which clips are overperforming so you can double down on those winners. That is the entire workflow. Upload, transcribe, search, create, remove silence, cut in, add brand assets, resize, and auto-schedule. It literally cuts what used to be a full-day job down into just a few minutes of effort. If you want to try it out, Vizard usually lets you edit a few videos for free to see how their AI picks up those viral moments. I would start by taking a high-performing blog or a webinar that already got good engagement and seeing what clips Vizard pulls for you. You will likely get a few ready-to-post pieces immediately without breaking a sweat. Do not underestimate the power of good source material. Spend 5 minutes in Google Analytics and translate that proven content into social formats. Bottom line, cutting down long videos does not have to be painful, and Vizard makes it fast while keeping everything on brand. Give it a shot, test different posting cadences, and let the data tell you what your audience actually wants to see. That is how you turn one single webinar into weeks of content that actually moves the needle.